There is much to enjoy within this certified 2012 Toyota Camry here at Smart Motors in Madison, so stop by today and make it yours. There is everything that you will need for comfort in an everyday commuter behind the wheel of this green Toyota sedan, including Toyota's Star Safety System, giving you vehicle stability control, ABS braking and Smart Stop technology, allowing you to safely commute day-to-day. Sports a spacious trunk, easily allowing you to be able to fit any cargo necessary for everyday household shopping or some luggage to take a group of friends out. On the highway for getaways. Inside this Camry you will find comfortable seating for up to 5 passengers. Behind the wheel you will notice the mounted steering wheel audio controls for radio volume and Bluetooth connection, helping you easily make those phone calls when on your way to work. Every single one of this Camry's only 8,000 miles has been cared for here at Smart Motors. So this smart original sedan is geared to perform for the long run. Coupled with Toyota's certified warranty, and you have a machine that is set for plenty of years and many miles ahead. There's much to enjoy in this Camry, and it's one that you'll need to see in person, so don't wait, and stop by today to make it yours. Toyota certification. Toyota Certified provides 7 years/ 100,000 mile powertrain warranty from original in-service date, 12 months/ 12,000 mile comprehensive warranty from date of purchase, 1 year roadside assistance, and complimentary loaner car.